Hello children, this is a continuation of cubes and cube roots lesson. Okay, now I am explaining cube roots. Okay, the last class I have explained cubes. Okay, about that I have explained. Now cube roots. Okay, so what is cube root? It is a inverse operation of finding cube. Okay, so here like square roots also. Square roots, what are square roots? So we studied in the previous class. That is also inverse operation of square. Cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. Now for example, 2 cube is equals to how much? 8. Okay, now cube root, we use square root of 4 is 2, isn't it? So the last part 1 lesson, in those lessons squares I have explained. Square root, we are using square root like this. This is square root. Cube root is when you write in square root this symbol itself 3, then it will become cube root. Okay, it should be inside, children, not, you see, if you write like this also it is wrong. See, it became separate. Okay, this is wrong. Should not write like that. Okay, cube root you have to write, it should be inside. The 3 should be inside this symbol. Okay, so cube root of 8 is equals to 2. See, inverse process. Okay, so 2 cube is 8. Inverse of this is that is cube root of 8 is equals to, that is 3 if you take this side. Like plus and minus, when you take after equal plus, what it becomes? Minus. Minus if you take after equal or before equal, it will become plus. So like that it is. Understood? So inverse process. 2 cube is equal to 8. But 2 is equals to what? 2 is equals to 3. If you take this side, it will become cube root of 8. Okay children? So this is what I have given here. These are the cubic numbers. And the inverse operation of cubes is nothing but what? Cube roots. These are all cube root numbers. Cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. Like that. Okay. All this. Now, let us see this one. Cube root through prime factorization method. Okay. So, here example 3375. So, similar way factorize. Okay. After factorizing, we got here 3 into 3 into 3. Write that 5 into 5 into 5 we got, right? 3 cube. There is a set here. 3 cube into 5 cube. Okay. Now, cube root of 3375 is equals to, you have to remove this. Okay. 3. 3 cube will become what? 3 here. 5 cube will become 5. So 3 5s are 15. Okay children? Like this. This is what the way of writing. Okay. Now example 2. Find the cube root of 8000. 8000 is equals to, factorize. This is the way of factorizing. Please learn this. Okay. Factorize. Then when you factorize, you get here, see here. This is one set. This is one set. And this is another set. Okay, now you got like this. Write all this, that is 2 cube. Cube root of 8000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is equals to 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay children. Now next example. Find the cube root of 13,824 by factorization. So timilar way, factorize like this. Then write. So you will get cube root of 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 3. Okay, that is equals to 24. Now cube root of a cube number. That is, this is what the number 8,57,375. So this one, see, the y, like without prime factorization, what we were using prime factorization. So you can observe here, this is what the number 13,824. Okay, little bit we worked hard and then we found this prime factorization. But when it becomes a very big number, so you can observe here, this is in lakhs, this is in thousand. Yes or no? So lakhs and 10 lakhs and crores, those numbers, how to find out, like there is a method like estimating, understood, how to estimate, okay, how to predict, okay, so how to predict, let us see here. So first always know from right, this is right, understood, from left to right, no, from right to left we have to come, okay, 375 and then 857, like that we have to separate, that is 573, 3 digits, 3 digits, okay, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, like that. So 1 2 3 first we have to consider, then 7 5 8 second. See children, observe carefully, very easy it is, and you will enjoy without prime factorization, without any method. We are finding out a square cube root, okay, how it is. So now let us find out 375. And one more thing you must observe here, you must know very well cubic numbers, okay, so please bar head cubic numbers and square numbers, then only you can guess what is the cubic number of the given number or cube root of this number, okay, you can guess very easily, understood. So the thing what you need for this, you need to learn by heart at least cubic numbers from 1 to 20 you have to by heart, 1 to 20 or 25 you have to by heart. 1 to 20 in the sense 1 cube is equals to 1, okay, and then 3 cube is equals to 8, the next is 2 cube is equals to 8, 3 cube is equals to 27. So like that you must know all the numbers, that is from at least 20 numbers, okay, even square numbers at least till 25 you must learn, okay. What is the square of 25 is what, 625, like that easily you must, like tables you have to memorize, isn't it, like that even the cubic numbers and square numbers also you have to memorize. So if you memorize, then this method is very easy for you, okay. Now let us see now. I have separated, I have made groups here, first group, second group. Let us find out what is the, we have to guess now, 375. In 375, one's place is how much? 5. Okay, now, and its cube root ends in 5. Always you can see 5's cube root always ends in 5. So, 5 is the units place of the cube root. Okay, so now 5 becomes what? Units place of the cube root. Now let us take another number, that is another set of number, 857. So this 857 lies between which cubic numbers? Okay, so here you can see 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000, isn't it? 1000 and 729. In between we can see 857. Yes or no? That means and say okay, after this what you have to do, which is the smallest you have to choose. Say here 729 less than 857 less than 1000. In this 3, which is the smallest? 729. So in this smallest is 729. Sorry, 9. 9 cube is 729, isn't it? So 9 we have to take. Therefore tens place is 9. Units place what we have chosen? 5. Yes or no? Now tens place we got 9. So cube root of 8,57,375 is equals to 95. You can calculate, children, immediately. If you take like very difficult to multiply means, you can take okay, multiply 95 into 95 into 95. Definitely you will get 8,57,375. It is true, children. Okay, multiply and see. Definitely you will get. See, very easily we predicted, isn't it? We found out the cube root of this given number. Okay, so like that. Here, one more example. Okay, one more example. Find the cube root of 17,576. Like here, through estimation or predicting or something. Okay, so here from right 675. From right 675, 71. 675 is first group, 71 second. Okay, only 2 digits are there. Whether it is 2 digits or 1 digit, no need to worry. Okay, but the thing is, from right when you start, you have to group 3 digits. Okay children, you have to group how many? 3 digits. Then remaining how many are there? That becomes second group. Whether 1 digit, whether 2 digit, whether 3 digit, whatever it is, or 4 digits. Okay, now first when you have 4 digits again, another, that is second group will become third, 3. Okay, 3 digits you have to group. Here in first group 3 we got, but second group we didn't get 3. So only 2 is there. Okay, that is second group. Okay, now in 576 unit digit is how much? 6. Yes or no? Usually the cubic numbers or cube root of 6 is always ends in 6. Therefore cube root is becomes the units place cube root becomes 6. Yes or no? Now in 17 we have to see where this 17 lies in cubic numbers. So in this 17 lies between 8 and 27. Yes or no? 2 cube and 3 cube. So now in this which is the smallest number, 2 and 2 cube and 3 cube, which is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. Smaller is 2. Therefore cube root of 17,576 is equals to, this becomes tens place and this becomes a units place, 26. So you can multiply this also thrice to check. Okay, to check you can multiply 26 into 26 into 26, then you will get 17,576 exactly. Okay children, now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. You can see here children. Okay, now question is 64 prime factorization method. They have asked here, find the cube root by prime factorization method. So factorize 64. You will get here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the set is cube root of 64 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, now next is similar way you have to find out by prime factorization. This is then right here, that is like this, 2 cube. Here this is what? 2 cube. This is 2 cube and this is 7 cube. Okay, now that is what written here. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 7, that is equals to 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 is 56. This is what the answer for this. Okay, now 10th one. 10th problem is 91,125. So similar way, factorize like this. Then afterwards write here this also 5 cube. Then this 3 cube. This is 3 cube. Okay, now here you can see here 91,125. Cube root of 91,125, that is equals to 5 into 3 into 3 is equals to 45. Okay, now 8th one, 46,656. So factorize again and then write 2 cube. This is 2 cube. 2 cube. This is 3 cube. This is 3 cube. Okay, now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 36. Okay children, this is homework page number 8 in part 2, page number 8. Please refer that, and second problem to 7th problem please do in your homework notebook. Next main is state true or false. Cube of any odd number is even. It is false. Cube of any odd number is odd itself. Okay, next is, so please see that true or false. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. It is true. If square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends in how much? 25. Okay, square of a number. Understood? So 5 5 is 25. It is actually it is what? It is false. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. False. Okay, then the cube of 2-digit number have 7 or more digits. False. The cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. False. Okay, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. It is true. Now, third main, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4913, 12,167, 32,768. So, similar way. That is what, like estimating method. Okay. Now, 1331, group it from right. 1, 2, 3, first group, second group only 1 is there, so right. So one's place here, one's place is of 331 is what? 1. Yes or no? 331 is 1. So here second is 1 itself. Okay, second is 1 itself. That is 1. Units place we can write 1 and the tens place we can write 1. So cube root of 1331 is 11. Now 4913, here 1, 2, 3, first group, second group. One's place of 913 is 3. One place of 913 is 3. How? Because the ending number is 3. Okay, understood. And the cube root of ending with 3 is 7. Okay. Here you can observe here always the cube root of 7. Always cube root of 7 is what? It will end with 3. Always cube root of 7 end with 3. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7 is what? 49 into 7. How much is 49 into 7? 49 into 7. 7 nines are 63. 6, 7, 4s are 28. 28. 30. 28 plus 6. 34. 343. So that means square, that is cube roots or cubes is what? It is ending with 3. Always it end with 3. That is what is the what you have to choose? 7. So one's place is 7 we have to take. One's place is 7 we have to take. Now second one, 4. Only one digit is there. So this 4 lies between 1 and 8. Yes or no? So therefore 1 less than 4 less than 8. Here the smallest is 1, the smallest number is 1. So this will become tens place. That is cube root of 4913 is equals to 17. Now third one, similar way, 167 one group, that is from right. 761 one group, 2 1 another group. So 3 cube is equals to what you get here. First one, 3 cube is equals to 27. So here units place is 3. Yes or no? 3 cube. Units place is how much? 3. Now 12 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. How? 8 and 27 it lies. So the smallest is 2. Therefore cube root of 12,167 is equal to 23. Okay. Now next homework. Please do the homework. Fourth one homework, 32,768. Okay, this is the very smallest lesson, cubes and cube roots. Please observe follow the videos and try to understand and complete your notes. Okay children, thank you children.